When users cannot make phone calls on their devices, the first thing they usually do is contact their service network provider for assistance. But if you think your payment is up to date and the problem isn't account related, calling your network provider should be your last resort. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix your iPhone XS that can't make phone calls after iOS 13. First solution, enable airplane mode and disable it again. Check the signal strength you are getting from the carrier network's tower on the top of your phone screen. If it shows minimal to zero signal bars, turn the airplane mode on and off again to refresh your phone's wireless radios and services. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to pull the control center. Touch the airplane icon to enable flight mode. After a few seconds, touch the icon again to disable it. After doing this, try to see if your phone can now make phone calls. Second solution, reset all network settings on your iPhone. After making sure that the problem isn't with your network device, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.